Hello kids, welcome to Yamu Kids TV. Learn some colors. First, happy face, cutie smileys. Then first, please subscribe my channel kids. Please subscribe and share. Okay, first heart in coloring, red color heart in, which color? Red color, red color heart in coloring. Okay, super coloring. Okay, learn some colors. First, green color. Which color kids? Green color. Lavender color. Which color? Lavender. Pink color. Which color? Pink color. Blue color. Which color kids? Blue color. Orange color. Which color? Orange. Sky blue color. Which color? Sky blue. Yellow color. Okay, let's coloring Hello Kitty ball. First, yellow color. Super. Then green. Yellow and green. Super color. Green. Green color. Super. Then pink color. Pink color dots. Super. Then sky blue. Sky blue color. Sky blue. Sky blue. Sky blue color. Super coloring. Super. Then blue color. Blue color. Super. Blue color Hello Kitty dress. Both dress. Then yellow duck and orange. Okay. Then pink color handle. Then green. Green color. Super. Then red color. Red color. Super. Then brush coloring. Lavender color brush. Super brush. Hello Kitty brush. Lavender. Golden color. Super. coloring. Then pink color. Hello Kitty face. Pink color. Which color kids? Pink color. Pencil coloring. Super. Hello Kitty face. Pink color. Pink color coloring. Hello Kitty skin. Leg. Pink color. Super coloring. Finish the coloring. Hello Kitty in ball. Please subscribe my channel kids. Please subscribe and share. Bye.